If your business is this, or this, or this, then you need this. MedCompass is a mobile medical provider headquartered in Minneapolis. They've been operating since 1985.
What we do is we send technicians who are able to go out and perform OSHA-required, OSHA-mandated hearing tests. Could also be OSHA-mandated pulmonary function. So anything that you might normally find at a clinic, you'd be able to find through MedCompass.
So anytime you're ready, breath in and hold it, please.
And that includes in-depth hazmat physicals.
Keeping your chin up, and anytime you're ready.
Industries, municipalities, and particularly fire departments are all mandated by OSHA. And with OSHA, there's a specific amount of time that they are required to be in compliance.
MedCompass is literally a clinic on wheels. It has the largest fleet in the upper Midwest of 7 available trucks and trailers. Trained medical field managers will travel right to your company's door to perform these required tests and exams. Your employees never leave the job site, saving you money and productivity.
So we're kind of a one-stop shop. We're able to come in there with our hearing testing, with our pulmonary function testing, hazmat physicals, if that's what you need. We're able to do all of those things, compile all your information, perform all the testing, hand it back to you and tell you exactly where it goes on the OSHA 300 log, and off you go and you have no worries.
MedCompass is fast, cost-effective compared to a clinic or hospital, and they'll work with you regardless of whether you employ as few as 3 workers or as many as 3,000.
Since we're a regional provider and not a national provider, we're able to be much more flexible. We're able to do our scheduling for our clients much more easily. We can really meet exactly what their needs are going to be. And since we don't have many mortars, bricks, and clinics, with our overhead is much reduced, which passes on the savings to our clients.
With MedCompass, you're getting doctors and field technicians with top-notch education and training.
All of our technicians have been to KAOC certified courses. Dr. Mark Chappell, who is our audiologist, is actually one of the state's teachers for that course. Dr. Anthony Smith typically reviews all of our hazmat physicals or pulmonary function testing that goes on.
Many industries are now required to have a hazmat team on staff in case a hazardous spill would occur. MedCompass offers those exams just like a clinic, except your team doesn't have to leave your facility.
With a hazmat exam, it can range from doing a pulmonary function test when we're checking the lungs, doing an EKG where we're checking the heart, we're doing a medical questionnaire, we're doing urinalysis, we're doing hearing, we're doing vision. It's really quite complete. So we have to ensure, and the employer has to ensure, that their employees can go into a hazardous spill should it occur at their industry.
And you don't have to track down the paperwork. MedCompass will make sure you receive the final word as to whether your employee is fit for duty.
The employee, however, will receive a sealed envelope which will have all their confidential information in it, and the employer will not be able to receive that information.
All of this happens as soon as Dr. Smith reviews the test results and gives his stamp of approval. While its home is in Minneapolis, MedCompass sends its 7 trucks and trailers all over the upper Midwest and beyond. MedCompass is also proud of its wellness program. This is how they help employees reduce the amount of lifestyle risk.
MedCompass partners with a firm by the name of Wellvation. Wellvation employs the Mayo Clinic developed programs for wellness. What MedCompass does, however, is we are doing the biometric screening arm. So it simply means that we'll be there to do blood draws, finger sticks, blood pressures, things like that. Then what will happen is Wellvation will go ahead and employ the rest of the coaching, telephony, if they would call some of the employees and let them know exactly what needs to be done, how they can monitor their own lifestyles, and things like that.
For your OSHA compliance needs, MedCompass offers the complete package for hearing testing, respirator clearance, hazmat exams, and wellness. And they've done it since 1985.
It's the customer service, it's the experience that we know exactly what we're doing, we've done it for years.